Hub event, we've made a ton of great contacts, both for now and for into the future. I've met distributors, I've met buyers, I've met potential resources to grow our workforce and to scale our products beyond that.
Today, being at this event, I probably made a good 8 to 10 contacts with different things, with different companies for anything between internet stuff and manufacturing stuff and distribution stuff. So it's actually, I'm glad I actually signed up for it, and it turned out to be a good day.
We've been doing this for almost 10 years now, and we have grown in production every year, which gives us the opportunity to come to events like this because we now have inventory to share with all sorts of people.
Yeah, we've been able to make a lot of great contacts here and sell some of the product, and now we even possibly have a place that we're...
Yep, another place that's going to carry it on their shelf.
Yep.
I've enjoyed meeting everybody from Fuse Hub, many more people. Thank you very much for that opportunity, and I look forward to the next time.